Your computer is eating up your RAM and everyone's telling you to buy more memory. Don't. Press Windows plus R and type services.msc, then hit Enter. This opens Windows services that most people never see. Scroll down and find sysmain. This service is probably running and set to automatic. It's also called superfetch on older systems. Right-click sysmain and select Properties. Look at the status. It says running, and it's consuming hundreds of megabytes of your RAM. Sysmain is supposed to speed up your computer by preloading programs you might use. In reality, it just eats your available memory. Change the startup type from automatic to disabled. Click Stop to end the service immediately, then click Apply. Open Task Manager and watch your available RAM. There is much more RAM available right now. Your computer will feel more responsive because programs now have actual RAM to use instead of fighting with sysmain for memory. This works especially well on computers with 8 GB or less RAM. Sysmain can use up to 30% of your total memory just sitting there. Restart your computer to see the full effect. Boot time might be slightly longer, but your overall performance will be much better. Try this before spending $100+ on new RAM stick.